Looking for a hassle-free way to bring your homemade meals to gatherings or events? Reynolds Kitchen's disposable lasagna pans with carriers lids offer a simple, reliable solution that keeps your food secure and your cleanup stress-free. These pans measure 14 by 10 inches, perfect for feeding a crowd without worrying about spills or leaks. What sets these disposable pans apart is their heavy-duty aluminum construction. Unlike flimsy foil trays, these won't buckle under pressure, so you can confidently prepare and transport large dishes like lasagna or casseroles. Each pan comes with a snug-fitting lid and a stylish carrier, designed to keep your meal safe during transport and make leftovers easy to store. The royal blue exterior adds a festive touch, making these pans look just as good on the table as the food inside tastes. I've used these pans countless times when taking meals to family gatherings. The convenience of not having to chase down a borrowed pan is a real-time saver. Plus, the included carrier makes carrying hot dishes much easier and safer. Cleanup is effortless since you can simply recycle the pans when you're done. No scrubbing or worrying about getting your pan back. If you're someone who regularly shares home-cooked meals or sends care packages, these pans are worth a look. Ready to simplify your meal prep and transport? Reynolds Kitchen's disposable lasagna pans deliver durability, convenience, and style all in one package. Try them when you're ready to make feeding a crowd easier and clean up faster.